weather outlook is for portions of north and
2 minutes left.
for this afternoon and tonight. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Thunderstorms will be possible Thursday through Monday.
Yep. Blah, blah, blah. Alright.
My dude finished that railroad in no time. Thanks to his wise search. He realized that John Henry built 5 trains that combined to form the giant robot.
Oh, it already started.
The proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service.
Wow, it started early today.
From Atlanta, KEC 80.
Thank you, National Weather Service, for starting up the weekly test early today.
Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Atlanta listening area: Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Newton, Rockdale, and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Here is this hazardous weather.
Thank you for doing the weekly test, National Weather Service. Oh, and Norfolk Southern Storm. I just want to say you did the weekly test at about 11 o'clock today. And I just want to say that I did the weekly test at that my weather radio did a weekly test at 11:30 today. So yeah.